Yeah. All right, folks. There was a time in fashion when you could not mix your pattern or else the people would have you to scorn. But guess what? This fashion faux pas, it apparently is not. It made a comeback about a decade ago. And apparently, it's here to stay.
It's a thing.
And it's getting very popular. Like you see it in fashion.
Yes.
Booker always says what happens in fashion translates to what happens in decor. So here to show us how to do it properly. Because there's a right way. Without looking like a hot mess.
Yes.
Karen Booker is here, Design Diva. Hey, girl.
Hello.
How you doing?
I want to tell you, the other day I was in the store and I saw a little compact and it said Hot Mess Fixer. It's like, oh my God.
That's brilliant, actually.
That is brilliant.
Your room is lovely.
Yes, you know,
it's warm, it's textured,
it's just full of life.
Very inviting.
It's very inviting. And this actually, you know, is the coastal setup. You know, which is very, very popular now and it's on trend. So we said, let's just have some fun with it and just, you know.
Coastal is like slash nautical?
Slash nautical, exactly. Yeah. And it's very beachy and it's very of nature. You know, that's why we have the rope just on the wall. It's
I love this.
It's just rope. It's rope that we found. Driftwood is driftwood what we found in front of you there. You know, the shells, everything of nature to mix and match the texture. So what coastal is, it's just a lot of texture. It is, you know, say you're by the beach and you walk into your house and you track sand, it's not a problem. You know, things like that.
Okay.
So, you know, so today now we're going to be talking about how to mix patterns. Where's Delia? She's not coming?
No.
You stay away. Okay, fine. Because I need you two of you to be in school.
Patterns on her dress.
On her dress, right?
All right. So let's talk. Have we done that here?
We have not. We have. Like we've mixed, you know, that geometric pattern with the eyelash and then put in the texture there, right? So therefore, that is a lot of tactile fabrics there. But when we are doing that, what we have to do, which is mixing patterns and textures, you have a jumping off point. Right? So you have to consider your pattern first.
Okay.
Are you going to go with an organic pattern or are you going to go with a geometric pattern?
So your pattern is inspired by the paint color on your wall?
No, you didn't even touch paint yet. No,
really?
Just the pattern. So the pattern
will dictate the paint?
Would dictate the paint.
I see.
Right? So the pattern is like organic, a large floral print. You see that one there?
Yes.
Right there, you can just grab it up. Oh yeah, man, whole heap of things down there, a whole stack. Right.
All right.
Okay, so that would be a floral print.
This is nice.
Okay? All right. So along with that, so when you do your floral, now you have to do the opposite now, which is a geometric. And what is a geometric? It could be a polka dot. It could be a stripe. Anything with lines, anything of math. You know, something with symbols. Can you find a geometric print in there, please, ma'am?
How did we get here?
What you mean?
How did we get to the place where a floral and a polka dot became a thing?
Became a thing? Fashion. When you see the silhouettes these days, you know, it's like you have a polka dot dress on now. I can easily mix that now with a floral. And it will just work. And it will just work. And here is how we'll do that.
What do you want now, miss?
I want you to find me a geometric.
Okay.
There you go. You see how that works?
So this could
be a combo. This could be a combination with that, right? And you also have there's another one in there that you can mix with it as well.
This one?
This one? No, that one will go with the other colorway. No, here is what you have to do when you are mixing and matching the patterns. You have to keep one color consistent. So what is the one color in that? No, that is
burgundy.
The burgundy, exactly. Right. So and that is now the glue that will have everything just go together.
It's a common thread.
It has the common thread.
So okay, so if this were, let's say, a set of curtains.
Yes.
Then this could be hanging down the middle.
Right.
And this could frame it.
And that could frame it. Or you can have, usually if you have a large scale print, right, then you do that on large pieces, like you can do that on the drapes.
Okay.
And then no, for the geometric, you do that on the accent pillows.
Okay.
Right?
Gotcha.
You got it. Okay, fine. So the large scale prints really belong on the
there.
Exactly.
And this would be on this.
On that. And then
you
can take that and just trim it. Therefore, you have some kind of harmony going on and some repetition.
All right. Make we do another one. Right. You know what I really want to do with this
What you want to do with cover up because you're cold.
Correct.
I understand.
Okay.
All right. So another thing is you're going to consider your scale.
Okay.
What is scale? Scale is the large print mixed now with the smaller print. All right?
Okay.
So you have another colorway in there that you can mix.
A colorway.
Colorway is color.
Like a swatch?
Like swatch, yeah, colorway. You have this. This you can mix with this as well.
Oh, yes, I can see that.
Right, you can see that, right? So you have your floral here mixed with your geometric and mixed with a very tight, what we call a mini print.
So all of these three can go together?
All of in one room.
Without bees
without anything, exactly. So what pattern does and color is it gives interest.
Oh.
So your room now gets interest. And what I see a lot of people doing, because I'm out there in the fabric stores every day, you're matching and you want to, and it has to be close and it has to be this. It's annoying. Don't get yourself all mixed up and crazy with that. Don't do it.
It's just they don't know the right way.
Yeah, but may I tell you right now, listen, you have to listen to people. I'm not going to steer you wrong, please. All right. So we have this colorway now that I want you to go. Yeah, go ahead now. Do
Those
your
are
thing.
My colors.
Do your thing.
So I'm going to use this on the for the drapes.
Right. I'm going to move this for you.
And then I'm going to make pillows.
Pillows, right.
These two.
There you go. Now you see how this works? You see how this small print here works, and it's a small stripe, works really, really very well with this large scale floral.
Yeah, because the navy is the common theme.
There you go.
Or the navy
bluish, is bluish,
grayish,
right? Okay, fine. Then now you've picked up texture in the eyelash, which is great. And then you can even do a solid with this, right? You can stretch it even further now and do that flame stitch. You see that flame stitch?
One?
Exactly, with this as well, and everything will work. Can everybody see this?
Wow, sir.
You have to pick them up a little bit.
I think you're right.
Right.
Just need Marvin.
You see that, and what we call this now is a story.
Oh, so tell me what this story
right?
is.
So this story is warm.
Once upon a time.
It's inviting. Come to my house. There was a room decorated by Simone.
Yes.
Yes.
And
it
welcomed
said,
everyone.
There you go. It's welcoming. It's
a glass
warm.
of wine.
Yes. And that's it.
Watch a movie.
Watch a movie. Yeah.
And then go home, please.
And then go home.
Yeah. Okay.
Not staying here.
Okay. And that's the story.
And that's the story.
And I'm sticking to it.
I am going to mix you up a little bit now.
What? Booker, why you must throw in these? Oh, I like
there
this.
You go. This
I love this.
See that? There
I
you go.
love this.
Isn't that fantastic? No, a lot of us don't like floral. We're like, oh, we're not floral people. But what the floral does in your home is introduce some life and some movement. You don't know where it ends, you don't know where it starts, and it just goes. When you mix it in now with this geometric, so you know what the common thread and the takeaway from this morning's lesson is? Mix your florals with the geometric. Mix it up with a stripe, with a polka dot, with a texture.
And find the common theme with the two.
Find the common theme.
Okay.
Now here's it. I'm going to give you another texture now. I hope everybody can see. This is wallpaper.
Oh, wow.
It's coming back. Look at that.
This is wallpaper?
This is wallpaper. This is wallpaper. So you can even use this as an added texture on the walls.
Lundi says we have to go, but this is amazing.
This is. It is.
All of this is wallpaper?
This is all wallpaper.
Oh my
This is all wallpaper, so it's an added dimension. So when you add this with the floral prints, with your stripe, with your texture, your room sell off.
Your job has got to be the most exciting job in the world.
I live vicariously through my clients.
Oh, wow.
I'm like, I am blessed. I'm one of the good ones. I'm one of the blessed ones.
Tell us how we can find if you want to be one of your clients, please.
There you go. So, we are down by the waterfront, as everybody knows, 12 Ocean Boulevard. Please call us, 421-6298. We know exactly what to do for you. 421-6298, we're at the waterfront. And of course, take out your phones, get on your smartphones now, and put us on your Instagram. Follow us. It's Karen Dezign Diva Booker. That's the handle, Karen Dezign Diva. Can you see this in a powder room?
I love this.
Yes, it is absolutely amazing.
You watch HGTV? We gotta go. Thank you, Booker.
We don't need to watch HGTV. I'm here.
Yeah, but still inspiration. We'll be right back, folks. That's it for Design Diva this week. I love it.